Hi guys, welcome to my next video. I'm trying to post a lot today because I just learned if you click the Scream Rator AI Tom. Okay, I can't read it all, but I hope Kerm's still here. And I need to play not online games, so let me just make sure. Okay, now let's play. Come here. No, stop. Stop. Give me that. Yes. Dang it, I miss. Dang it, I just won't. Oh, sige, just pass to him. Yes, he got stuck for a tiny bit of while. Got na ako, kanay ko na sasayo. Take that. Mine this time. I'm trying to rhyme. Okay, guys, let's do this again. Jump, super jump, super throw. Maybe I said super dumb throw. Yes. I just took it. Nagtart na ako, kana ko na sasayo. Let's do this again. Super power. No way. No, give me it. No. Yes, sorry, I scream. I'm just kidding. Oh gosh. Okay, jump. I just yes. No, give me that damn thing. Ow. Yes. I trap it. Oh, come on. So close. Oh no. No! Yes! Sorry, shout again, okay? Oh my gosh, the last second. We actually win somehow. Frick you. You're coming with me, buddy. No! Come back here. Give me the ball. Yes, he's stuck. How is he still stuck? Boom! He just let me do it. Oh, I don't know. That's impossible. Ow. You're stuck. No, come back here. No. Exploded TNT. No. Ha. No. Yes. Thank God. No. I'm trying to do better content, okay? I'm just hopeless right now because I can't actually. Yes. Thank God. No, I missed. Yes. Bow! No! What he appeared at the last second. Oh. Score dunk! Yes. Okay, I hope you like the video because I'm trying to do better, okay? Oh God. No. Oh God. Oh, right on his butt. Give me that ballies. No, the bullets. Just wait a minute. Oh no. Honestly, I really want a new game mode, so I will go and find another game mode. Let me just check there's Wi-Fi. Okay, guys. And I will have fun. Of course. Why? Why? Okay. Okay. I don't know what game I'm gonna play next, but I will choose. And this video will be done.